Welcome back to Now in Chinese. I'm Mia. Out on the street now. Well, today I want to talk about the Chinese character, Guang, and its multiple meanings. Let's dive in. First meaning of Guang is light. For example, we know words such as 太阳、月亮、星星、灯。Then we can form words such as 阳光、月光、星光 and 灯光。For example, 上周我买了一个新台灯，灯光很柔和，我很喜欢。Or 路灯的灯光不太亮，你可能看不清我。Or 最近天气真不错，天天都阳光灿烂。Moving on to the second meaning of 光 that's bare or naked. For example, 这棵树光秃秃的。So here, 秃 also means bare or naked. For example, if someone is bald, we say 秃头。秃头。We can also say 光头, but 秃头 is more like a kind of hair problem, but 光头 is more like a choice of hairstyle. And by combining them, the word 光秃秃的 this adjective is perfect for describing some autumn sceneries. For example, 树，这棵树已经光秃秃的了。Or, some hills are bare without any green trees or so. We can say, 那座山光秃秃的，上面什么树也没有。Couple more examples. 他光着脚在沙滩上走。Or 他刚洗完澡，光着上身就去拿外卖了。Alright, the third meaning of 光 is a very useful one. So pay attention, take some notes, and hit the subscribe and like button. By the way, let's talk about it. Is when 光 is used as a verb complement. This is intermediate Chinese grammar, verb complements. So here is a result complement. So for example, again, 树, that's why I'm here too. I can say, 这根树枝上面的叶子掉光了。这根树枝 this branch 上面的叶子 leaves on this branch 掉 drop fall 光了 so here 光 after the verb 掉 means without anything left so like right it's a bare branch without any leaves left so one more time这根树枝上面的叶子掉光了。For example, 披萨在哪儿？我要吃一片。我太饿了，我已经全吃光了。那果汁呢？给我一瓶。2瓶果汁我也喝光了。那你支付宝转点钱给我吧，我点个别的外卖。支付宝里的钱我也花光了。我吃光了8片披萨。我喝光了 2瓶果汁，我花光了支付宝里的钱。That's all for today's episode. You're watching Nightwing Chinese. I'm Mia. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. 在这棵光秃秃的树下面，借着路灯的灯光，我祝你今天的心情很阳光。I'll catch you soon in the next video. Bye.